Hey, good morning everybody. Welcome to Proformance Unlimited. This is obviously our dyno room. On the dyno today, we've got a custom built LS3 engine, 416 cubic inches. Got some really nice goodies here. Got the all aluminum block, fully forged bottom end. Got the LS3 cylinder heads. We put our own valve springs on there. It's got a custom designed hydraulic roller camshaft. Happens to have the FiTech EFI system on here. Looks really nice. This engine also features a Concept 1 pulley system, and of course, what's really cool about this is a 600 horsepower engine, normally aspirated, but it's got some special changes made to it, such as a special forged piston. The compression's been lowered a little bit. It's got kinetic gaskets because this baby's going to get a Whipple supercharger down the road. So this is basically going to be an 800 horsepower street engine. Absolutely awesome. Gorgeous looking. Happens to be going into a Firebird, so the customer wanted Pontiac scripted on the valve covers. It's also painted old style Pontiac metallic blue. Looks really cool, and boy does this thing run. We've got it all dialed in. We are definitely the LS experts as far as I'm concerned. Our normally aspirated engines are absolutely awesome. We know how to make the torque out of these bad boys so that they really run on the street. And of course, like I said, this one's set up for a Whipple type supercharger down the road. If you're interested in an LS engine, check out our website. Of course, we built all kinds of V8 engines from the 60s all the way up to the late 90s and early 2000s with our LS series of engines. Check us out, customcrateengines.com by Proformance Unlimited, or give Steve a call at 800-267-3940. Everybody have a good day out there.